Yeah, hella old school rope.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
Motherfuckers out here don't know. This young static right here, dog. Yeah. I can't believe I ran into this man. Chilling with my boy Manny. And then Manny, I look over, walking up with Manny, and I see young static. I'm just like starstruck, bro. Just like, what the fuck?
I appreciate it, bro.
I need, this is my opportunity. this is my opportunity. You know what I mean? And you know, I got mad love for Young Static. Much respect and love. At Mikey2It on Instagram. But make sure you hit the subscribe button.
You guys hear him.
If you want to know the most down-to-earth dude in the Honda game, it's the man behind the camera.
Yep.
And I'm not talking about Meow Meow. I'm not talking about Meow Meow.
Hey, Meow Meow's the star of the channel too, man. You gotta give him some credit, bro.
Hey, co-star.
Hey, co-star. Hey, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate the love, man. Thank you very much, bro.
We out here at Shukai 2018. They say it's the last, but ain't gonna be the last. I promise you that. You know what I mean?
As long as we stay supporting Shukai, bro. As long as we still carry it on, the legacy will still live.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hell
sir.
yeah. The body's pretty clean on dude.
A little spot here and there. Alright, so check this out. People, they're like, what about that?
How is it that the passenger seat is all fucked up, but not the driver's seat? Huh. What's going on, guys? Hey, these guys pulled up, bro. We're over here with Joe's new car. He just bought it. We're out here, and where we at right now?
We are in
I don't even know where we at. We're in Jamestown, bro. So that's like, what, 2.5 hours away from where I live. And we came to check out this car right here, give you guys a better look in the daytime because the guy's house was too damn dark. But if you guys don't know, Joe hung out with me a little too much, been binge watching my videos, and he just picked himself up a fucking wagon with the B20 swap. And it's barred. So, you happy, Joe?
I'm happy.
Hell yeah. So these guys pulled up, and the first thing they said was, yo, I watch you guys' channel. That's crazy.
You gotta make it official. I was like, oh, hey, I love what you do, man.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. Let's make it official right here. Just want to show you guys really quickly because I know a lot of people.
B20s aren't barrable.
When people say B20, it's unbarrable. Right there. B20 B block, P75 head, non-V, set up as a 94 Integra in this car.
All right, man. Hey, nice to meet you, dude. Hey.
Hell yeah, that was such a trip, bro.
New stuff, man.
Hey, so yeah, guys, we're gonna pump up some gas real quick, and then we're gonna head back out. Cat and Joe's driving the ST. I'm gonna be driving the wagon. It's pretty smooth, it's pretty quiet, but I ain't got no damn radio. So I got my iPod though. I'm gonna slap some music, hopefully next to my ear like this, taped up to my head, and we'll make it home in one piece, and we're gonna head on out of here.